So we ordered some windows and Philippe picked them up, I believe 2 days ago, and we're gonna unload it from the truck and hopefully we're gonna be able to install it this weekend. So these are the windows that will go on the south side of the RV building. I think they're 6x3.
Once I remove this, the window's gonna go like that. So we're gonna slide it out. You're gonna slide it out this way so I can come out and grab the other end. And then we're gonna walk it. Okay? You just wanna make sure nothing hits the glass. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, it's better than having a fan on yourself. When I was cutting the soffit, I had a fan. With your gun? I was splashing.
Bud, be careful. Hey babe, don't do that.
Get out of there! You're gonna break the. You're gonna break the poly.
You're gonna make the stuff wet.
Bon! I'm gonna get out and splash you with the water.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. I can't believe it's August now. It's August 3rd, Saturday. And we're back to having a really warm temperature. It's so weird because 2 weeks ago it was cold. I was wearing toque in the greenhouse because it was 14 degrees Celsius. But now it's back to 30 degrees. I think it's gonna be 28, 30 degrees today. Philippe was able to install the soffit on this side. All the soffit here is done, so we're able to move the scaffold this morning. So it's 9 a.m. and we haven't had breakfast yet because we wanna be able to do as much as we can before it gets too hot. I also need to go to the garden to harvest my cabbages and bring them to the root cellar. So today,
A lot of mosquitoes here. Maybe we can use the machine. If you get the machine inside, I can put it here because they're like all here. I have bug spray, but they're like.
So today he's trying to frame. Are you gonna frame first and then what?
Yeah, I have to frame. That's the first step.
So he's framing the windows. Those 3 holes will be framed and then we can install the windows. And also, until today we are debating about the deck. It's so hard to make a decision and mutual decision because we're not on the same page as to how we're gonna do the deck. So as you can see, it's beautiful and it's completely open and you can see the view. And let me take you inside here. Welcome to the 2nd floor. It's a big space. It's warm here right now, but once it's insulated, it's gonna be fine. Oh, there's a lot of insects. yeah, what do you guys think? We won't be focusing on insulating it this year because we have to save some money first before we can purchase some, insulation. It's costs a lot of money. So yeah, we're just trying to finish the deck and siding on the first level, and that's it for this season. Anyway, I have to harvest my cabbages today. They are cracking. They're so ready to be harvested. So I'm gonna do that right now while Philip doesn't need me. But first, I have to bring these crates I made in the root cellar so I can place them on each of them. So I'll bring them first before I harvest the cabbages. I'll check the root cellar with you. Let's see how. Oh, but I didn't bring my lights, so. Oh shoot. I'm gonna have to come back here to bring the flashlight. But it is 14.9, 99% humidity. It's so cool here. Oh, what? Go outside. No. Go. I won't be able to bring those crates inside because I'm gonna need some lights. And I need to close the door right away because it's gonna change the temperature drastically. So Philip will be so mad at me. So I'll come back here, but I want to show you the seeds that I planted last spring. You could see some of the wildflowers that I threw here are popping up. Also some comfreys that I planted here are growing. This coneflower I also planted here. Yeah, I'm so happy about that. And some some walking onions that I planted here. More comfreys. Some are still growing. Like these guys, these are from the seeds I threw here. So I'm glad some wildflowers are growing here. So it's gonna make the structure more stable. More perennial onions on the roof. Bond! Be careful! So some barley seeds and oats and buckwheat seeds I think germinated. You can see some there, but not a lot because the birds ate them. Some more comfreys here. More comfrey there. You can see. This cushion is sitting here and I lifted it up and there's a lot of worms. I'm gonna pick them up and give them to the chickens. Look at that. The chickens will be happy. You don't like it? start harvesting the cabbages. Time is so fast. Also, as you can see, I haven't had a chance to weed whack here. Just no time. But it's okay. As long as I can deal with the weeds, that's fine. So I'm gonna be harvesting the big ones. Not sure how many, but there's probably 8 of them, or I don't know. But we'll see. Look at this one. This is starting to break, so this is definitely ready. Okay, we finished harvesting some cabbages. There are still some that are tiny, but these are what I'm gonna put in the root cellar. I'm gonna deal with them in the next few days. There's 14 cabbages here. As you can see, they don't look 100% good because they're already breaking. They've been so ready. I don't know how it looks inside. I don't want to break them or remove the outer leaves. I'm gonna do that when I use them. So I'm gonna put that in the root cellar, and I have a bucket of cabbage leaves for the chickens. I'm sure they will love it. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this to them, and then I can bring the cart in the root cellar. What are you doing, Bud? Huh? Are you playing? Huh? Anyway, I want to show you the Napa cabbage that I also need to harvest. Probably I'll do that tomorrow because I'm not ready to make kimchi. I don't have the daikon radish. So I'll probably ask Philippe to buy that in town, and I can harvest this one. This one is so ready. That one too. So there's 3 of them that's ready. What? So you have to add how many feet on the current hole?
But if you go there, you will see.
You're done playing with Raven? Huh? Good boys. Yeah. Okay, let's see the window. So the window is bigger than the windows. So Philippe has to make it smaller by adding those pieces of 2x6. It's 2x6, right?
Pardon?
2x6.
What do you mean 2x6? They are 2x6s.
Oh, so it's gonna be smaller, like the width is smaller from there too when we're
Yeah,
inside.
cannot do bigger because of the post, man. Remember I told you? And then if you come here, you can just hold it from me. It'll be way easier. pivot on that.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Mm-hmm. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. So I'm hiding the cart from the sun because I asked Philippe's help to put the cabbages in the root cellar because it will be hard to keep the door closed, and then I have to keep coming back and forth to put the cabbages inside. So it's better to do it together. I think it's gonna be fun. Okay. We're just trying to finish, or he's just trying to finish one window, and then we're gonna go inside to have breakfast. It's already 11, I think, or 10:30, and then I have to go outside again to harvest some wild strawberries. Philippe said there's a lot outside the fence, but let's check if we're gonna see some here. There should be some here. I don't see any, so I may have to go outside the fence. 2 years ago I was able to harvest a bunch just before the fence here, just before the fence line, but I don't see anything. What? Yes, you're checking on me? Okay.
I got bit so many times in the shop. They were like ferocious. Even though I have my bug spray, that's weird.
Is that a good hiding spot? Not sure if you can see the dragonflies. There's a bunch here flying. Look. Hunting for mosquitoes. So we're just trying to finish installing this. It's already positioned, but Philippe has to just screw it properly. So we have 2 more to do. I think we're gonna do that later this afternoon or tomorrow. gonna be done, and then we can start on the siding. We're gonna do the other two today.
No. No. Look, the sun is here.
Oh.
It's not happening today, the other two. When I'm done this, we're gonna do the thing in the root cellar.
Okay. We're not gonna remove that hose yet until we're safe, or until we know we're safe. Probably in the next 2 weeks. Huh?
Yeah, depends on the weather, but it's nearing the end.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks good, eh?
Yeah. So we're gonna put the cabbages in the root cellar now. Even though I'm starving, we wanna be able to put them before it gets too hot. Right, my love?
Yeah. Yes. I hope the height, once we pull the RV out, I hope the window height is fine.
Yeah.
I made my calculations yesterday. Holy. Otherwise it'll be weird.
Yeah.
I don't know. They would be a little bit low, if anything. But I think it'll be fine.
We'll make the ground floor or the floor higher.
No, like the floor will be lower than the floor of the RV. It will be even with the mud roof and the outdoor living. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Raven. There's a wasp in the greenhouse. And then he put a trap last night.
No, it didn't work.
We're gonna show you.
I'll put it closer to the nest.
That's your trap.
Okay, but don't go too close. You're
That's-
gonna get stung.
That's the wasp nest. So let's see the temperature here. Oh, it's 47. 47 degrees. Ah, that's crazy. Okay. I had to go back to the root cellar to take some cabbage because I want to make some sauerkraut. So it's gonna ferment for 2 to 3 weeks and it's going to be ready while I'm out of kimchi, because I'm gonna make kimchi probably next week, so I can start the sauerkraut.